Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all are enjoying good health. As you already know, we have started the topic of eye in which we studied the internal layer of eye in the previous video. Now we are going to continue the internal layer of eye. First of all, the important short question is differentiate between rods and cones. This is an important short question. The answer of this question is rods are sensitive to dim light while cones are sensitive to bright light and so distinguish between different colors. Next question is what are the 2 points of retina? Retina has 2 points, that is fovea and optical disc. Differentiate between fovea and optic disc. The answer to this question is starting from here and it ends over here. Well students, next question is define fovea. Fovea is dip in retina directly opposite to lens and is densely packed with cone cells. It is largely responsible for color vision and sharpness. This is the definition of fovea. Next is the definition of optic disc. Next question is define blind spot, or what is the second name for optic disc? The second name for optic disc is blind spot. So the definition of blind spot is optic disc is a point on retina where the optic nerve enters retina. There are no rods and cones at this point. That's why it is also referred to as blind spot. Well students, this is an important short question regarding board examination. This side blocks contains a very important short question, that is why the eyes of cat and dog shine in the night. Answer of this question is the reason for this is the presence of tapetum behind the eye, which is a layer capable of reflecting light. Moving towards the important MCQs. Rods are sensitive to dim light. Cones are sensitive to bright light. Retina has 2 points. Fovea is a dip in the retina. Another MCQ on this page is the second name for optic disc is blind spot. Optic disc is a point on retina where the optic nerves enter retina. This is the last MCQ on this page. Next, the first question on this page is what are the 2 chambers of iris? The iris divides the cavity of eye into 2 chambers. The first is anterior chamber and the second one is posterior chamber. Differentiate between anterior and posterior chamber of iris. The anterior chamber is in front of iris, that is between cornea and iris, whereas the posterior chamber is between iris and retina. Another difference between these 2 chambers is the anterior chamber contains a clear fluid known as aqueous humor, while the posterior chamber contains a jelly-like fluid known as vitreous humor. It helps maintain the shape of eye and suspends the delicate lens. This is the main difference between 2 chambers of iris. Moving towards the important MCQ on this page. First MCQ is taken from the first sentence of this page, that is the iris divides into major 2 chambers. The anterior chamber is in front of iris. The posterior chamber is between iris and retina. Next topic is the mechanism of vision. This is also an important long question, and also many of the short questions and MCQs can also be selected from this topic. Starting from this, what is the mechanism of vision? The answer of mechanism of vision ends over here. Next question is define night blindness. Rods contain a pigment called rhodopsin. When light falls on rhodopsin, it breaks for generating a nerve impulse. In the absence of light, the breakdown products are again converted into rhodopsin. Body synthesizes rhodopsin from vitamin A, and that's why the deficiency of vitamin A causes poor night vision. This problem is called night blindness. Moving towards important MCQs. Lens also focuses light on retina. The impulses are carried to brain, which makes the sensation of vision. Another MCQ is taken from the definition of night blindness. Rods contain a pigment called rhodopsin. Body synthesizes rhodopsin from vitamin A, and that is why the deficiency of vitamin A causes poor night vision. Last MCQ on this page is the poor night vision is a problem that is called night blindness. Next. This page contains an important short question, that is define color blindness. Is it a genetic problem? Cones also contain a pigment called iodopsin. There are three main types of cones and each type has a specific iodopsin. Each type of cone recognizes one of the three primary colors, that is blue, green and red. If any type of cone is not working well, it becomes difficult to recognize the color. Such person is also not able to distinguish different colors. This disease is called color blindness, and it is a genetic problem. Moving towards the important MCQs. There are three main types of cones. Each type of cone recognizes one of the three primary colors, that is blue, green and red. In color blindness, the person is not able to distinguish different colors. Color blindness is a genetic problem. Next is disorders of eye. There are major two disorders, myopia, short sight and hypermetropia, long sight. Define myopia. The elongation of eyeball results in myopia. Such persons are not able to see distant objects clearly. The image of distant object is formed in front of retina. What is the cure for myopia? The problem of myopia can be rectified by using concave lens. Next is hypermetropia. It happens when eyeball shortens. Such persons are not able to see near objects clearly. This image is formed behind the retina. What is the cure for hypermetropia? Convex lens is used to rectify the problem of hypermetropia. Moving towards the important MCQ on this page. First MCQ is the working of eye is affected by the changes in the shape of eyeball. The elongation of eyeball results in myopia. The problem of myopia can be rectified by using concave lens. Another MCQ includes hypermetropia happens when eyeball shortens. Last MCQ on this page is convex lens is used to rectify the problem of hypermetropia or long sight. Well students, these were some of the important short question MCQs in these topics. We will discuss the next topic in the next video inshallah. Okay, thank you very much.